Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to change the date, including the month, year and day of the week, especially on a Casio G-Shock 5146, 5081 and 5522. But the concept will work on almost all G-Shocks. The first step is to put the watch in the timekeeping mode by pressing on the mode button few times until you see the day of the week on the screen. Press and hold the adjust button for 3 seconds until the city codes in Greek letters start blinking on the screen. Now we have to press the mode button 6 times to skip all other settings to go directly to the year. 3, 4 times, 5 and 6. Now that you have the year, use the two buttons on the right side of the watch to choose the current year. Press the mode button once again and now use the two buttons on the right side to choose the month. Press the mode button and now again use the two buttons on the right side to choose the date. Once this is done, press the mode button once and press on the adjust button to exit the settings. The watch will rotate to the time and the date will be displayed on the screen. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe to my channel.